Here we have a Poly CCX 400, which has been plugged into a PoE port and is ready to be provisioned. First thing we need to do is set our admin password. This can be anything you like, but you will need to use it later. So don't forget what it is. Press the enter button. We accept the EULA. We don't need to set the language yet because that can be done by Microsoft Teams later. We don't need to set the time zone because that is set by Microsoft Teams as well. And we're going to third-party apps, Microsoft Teams. Select next. The SNTP can stay standard. Next. Are you ready to continue? Yes. The phone will reboot into Microsoft Teams. It only takes a minute or so, so be patient. Drink your coffee if you have one. If you don't, you probably don't really have enough time to go and get one. If you do, that's okay. There we go. Now, one thing we need to do before we go into and refresh the code and configure to Teams is to go into Settings, Device Settings, Admin Only. Now we enter the password we created before. Done. Into network configuration and just turn on the web user interface. That allows us to make some changes to the handset if we need to later on. Save that. And the phone will go through a reboot process, then come up to the Microsoft Teams window. We're waiting to refresh the code. I'll leave this running so you know how long it takes. There's 2.5 minutes into it so far. This is where you can maybe grab a cuppa. Oh, we're almost there. Three minutes into the process. Now it does state, sorry, your device is offline, please try again later. That'll only be there for a few more seconds. Once the phone finds its home server and is ready to be provisioned for Microsoft Teams. Again, we're now 3 minutes and 33 seconds into the process. Now that we've got everything ready, all we need to do is push the refresh code button. It'll hook up to the correct server and give us a 9-digit code. That 9-digit code will be used by the Microsoft Teams engineers to provision the phone from a web browser. That's pretty much all you need to do to set the phone up and get it running, and that took exactly 4 minutes. Thank you very much.